Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing these 5.1 headphones. They are wireless earbuds. The playtime is 100 hour. It's got a power display, charging case. It is IP7 waterproof earbuds. Alright, so we have our earbuds. They offer it in blue. You've got black. You have the black SD, they have red, they have Q82, which is a matte black, and then they have a white color. So these are wireless 5.1. They do come with a charging base. These are wireless earbuds. They have a 5 hours of music time, 48 hours charging case, a total standby of 120 hours. They're convenient touch control. You've got your play, pause, previous song, next song. It does take phone calls. You can reject a call. We got the volume up, volume down, activate voice assistant. You have gaming on and off mode. They have hi-fi stereo sound. So right here is the user manual. This basically tells you everything about these headsets. They are IPX7 waterproof protection. It's closed structures designed to protect the headphones from damage due to sweat while exercising. It does have a 5.1 Bluetooth chip. It's intelligent compatibility with TV, Android, iOS, as well as computers. So there's a user manual. So first off, you have the case. I'm going to put that to the side so we can see what's inside the box. It offers a colorful fingertip touch with no pressure on the ear. So first off, you do get the charger. You do not get a charging block, but you do get the charging wire. The case itself charges by a micro B fast charging. It only takes 5 hours to completely charge it. You get 40 hours worth of charging time. It has auto pairing, a CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology for crystal clear calls, effective shielding the ambient noises, enjoying a high quality of conversations anytime and anywhere. So on this case, it does have a USB port as well as the charging port. So this is what it looks like at the bottom. The design of this wireless Bluetooth headset is stylish. This is the red color. It does come in different colors. It is working, running, will be very good for a little noise reduction when you're running. Just pick up the two wireless earbuds from the charging box. You just put them in your ear and they work perfectly. You just push this little button here at the top down and it will turn it on. So when you want to charge it, you just put it back in the case. And then here is the other side. So the CVC 8.0 noise cancelling technology provides clear sound, Bluetooth 5.1 wireless headphones with excellent hi-fi stereo sound, which will give you nice and crystal clear calls and listening of your music. It has a 48-hour playtime and LED display. The earbuds are wireless Bluetooth earbuds that can be fully charged in just 1.5 hours with a music playtime of just 5 hours. It has a 3500 milliamp charging case that can charge your earbuds 15 times, which will allow you to use your earbuds over a 48-hour period. You can also see the remaining power of the earbuds in the charging case through the display. So you'll just push this one down. The light will start flashing. That'll let you know that it's in pairing mode. They are super easy to pair. All you have to do is open up your device, and under your Bluetooth devices, it should be under HBQ-Q82 TWS, depending on the model, but it is definitely HBQ for the first. So now that I got them both on, I will go ahead and pair it a little bit later. But right now, we're going to stick these in here to start charging the devices. So right now it's not showing that it is charging because there is a little plastic thing right in the middle. It's basically covering the metal little ports on each one of these little charging. You can see the ports on the bottom. It has also the same ports on the earbud themselves. So let me go ahead and remove that, and then it will go ahead and start charging. So if you do not take off the little plastic port on the charging metal ports, it will not start charging. So it'll look like this. So let me go ahead and remove that and show you when it'll start charging. First off, let me go ahead and charge it up because I think these are completely dead. So I'm going to put in the charging cable wire. Just right here in the front. You plug it right in there. and that will actually start charging the case, and then I'll remove the plastic so the actual earbuds will charge. So you can see inside of it, it's charging. The case itself came at 97%. You can see that each one of these on the side are not charging. So they have a little metal piece right there, and on top of the metal piece you have another metal piece right here which will connect into the case to charge the earbuds. And in between the two earbuds you have like a little plastic thing. You can barely see it, but it's over there with a little display right there in the middle of the two. So I'm just going to remove those. So now that I've removed that little plastic, now it's starting to charge the earbuds. So if you remove it, it will stop charging the one side. You put that one back in, it'll continue to charge that one. Now if you remove the other one, that will stop charging. So the good thing about this is even if you're only using one, the other earbud will still charge regardless if they're both in or just one of them in. The great thing about this case, it is see-through clamshell. So with this see-through, you can see what the battery status is of the case itself. And it also displays the battery level of your earbuds. So if you're looking for a nice set of earbuds that offer the 5.1 technology Bluetooth, I would definitely say check these ones out. It does come with the charging case. You do get the charging wire. You get extra bud covers. You get the user manual. And you get a nice pair of earbuds. I would say definitely check these ones out.